Hey everyone, we're going to go over the ambiguous case of the law of sines where there's only one solution. There's varying ways to learn the ambiguous case of the law of sines. This is a different approach when you're first starting. I do suggest that you watch the video with two solutions first. Whenever I have a side-side angle, in this case, when you're first learning this, after a while you'll see the pattern. Whenever you have something like this, where you have the 40 degrees, the side across from 40 is A, your B, so this would be your beta, this would be your gamma, so this would be your C. My A is 3 here. When I first see this, I'm going to go ahead and draw two triangles. Again, this is, I call this the bad one for the law of sines. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw another triangle up here. Make this side a little longer. It probably doesn't look like it. But this was 3. And I'm going to copy everything down, 40. And my B was what? 2. This is 2. So usually, or all the time, when your side across from the angle they gave you is larger than the other side they gave you without the angle given, then that means there'll be one solution. But you're not going to know that until you do quite a few of these. So I just go ahead and draw two triangles, and I'm going to see if I can get a beta 2 here, and then therefore a gamma 2. This would be your C2. So first of all, I'm going to find my beta 1 by using the law of sines, and we're going to get sine of 40. Well, if you want me to write down on this one, I'll write down the formula. Sine of alpha over little a equals sine of beta over little b. So sine of 40 over 3 equals sine of beta over 2. You cross multiply, you get 2 sine of 40 over 3 equals sine of beta. Now, this equals approximately 0.43. And so you do inverse sine, or sine inverse of 0.43, and your beta 1 is approximately 25.4 degrees. So that looks like a 0. So degrees. So that is 25.4 degrees. Now, to see if we have another triangle, we're going to take 180 minus 25.4 degrees, and that gives you 154.6 degrees. And I put that there. And if you notice, when you add these two together, you're going to get 194.6 degrees. So that means you can't make another triangle. This side here is too long, and if you it's hanging because there's no angle here. And if you notice that if you swing this around, it's not going to form another triangle. Okay, so we don't have two triangles. And what we're going to do is just go ahead and solve for the rest of the values. To get my gamma, I'm going to use 180 minus 40, these are all degrees, minus 25.4 degrees, and that gives you 114.6 degrees. So that goes here, 114.6 degrees. And then I just have to use the law of sines. I'm going to use my alpha again, so sine of 40 over 3, and I'm going to find my C here. And I'm going to use sine of 114.6 degrees over my C. You cross multiply and you get C equals 3 sine of 114.6 degrees over sine of 40 degrees. And that gives you approximately 4.24. So this side is 4.24. Okay, so that's your one solution. Now the next video I'm going to make is 3 examples of one solution, and I'm going to go ahead and draw both triangles until I get used to seeing the pattern. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.